Hello everyone, this is Jimmy the Baking Bear, welcoming you back to the Homestyle Baking channel. I hope you all had a safe and healthy week. In today's video, I'm going to be making blueberry waffles. So stay with me as I walk you through the process. Let's get started.
I have sifted the pastry flour, table salt, baking powder, and baking soda together and set it aside here for later. I have warm water here with blueberry flavor added to it, and I'm going to set this aside for later. I have here granulated sugar, liquid whole eggs, vegetable oil, dried blueberries, and frozen blueberries. I'll be adding my ingredients in the following order: vegetable oil, granulated sugar, and liquid whole eggs. Now I'll mix this until it's nice and smooth before I add the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm transferring the liquid over to a bigger mixing bowl before I add all of the dry ingredients. I'll be adding the dry mixture to the liquid and mix it until it's nice and smooth before adding the blueberries. But careful not to overmix it. You don't want to develop any sort of gluten or minimum gluten as possible. Now that the mixture is nice and creamy, I'm gonna add the blueberry, being careful not to overmix it. Now my blueberries are nicely folded in. I'll be starting my baking process soon. I have here my Cuisinart waffle maker. This particular waffle maker takes approximately 2/3 of a cup of butter. But instead of a cup, I'll be using this large ice cream spoon, which makes it easier to remove. Again, I'll close the iron and flip it over to evenly distribute the batter so it cooks nice and evenly on both sides. This will take approximately 3.5 minutes. These waffles have been baking for 3.5 minutes and they're nice and golden brown. I'll continue baking the rest of the waffles now. Here you have it, beautiful home-style blueberry waffles without all the additives and preservatives of commercial bakery waffles. You can have these for breakfast or as a nice little treat with your favorite toppings of whipped cream or ice cream, whatever your favorite topping may be. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel, comment, and share with your families and friends. I have included the recipe in the description below. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.